channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to a game-changing solution for your business. Solar power from Sunpower Services. Our focus is on the UK, especially the southern half, to ensure that our installations are perfectly suited to the regional climate and energy needs. Imagine reducing the energy costs and carbon footprint for your industrial or commercial business premises with no upfront costs. At Sunpower Services, we provide businesses across England and Wales with PV solar panel installations on their premises. At present, we are fulfilling orders for the southern half of the UK, and we plan to fulfil orders for the northern parts of the UK in the very near future. Whether it's rooftop or ground mounted, we've got you covered. Our all-inclusive rates mean no additional charges like CCL or stand-in fees. The only cost to your business is the unit rate for the electricity you use. However, it's important to note that our solution is mainly aimed at industrial and commercial users rather than domestic households, except for very large domestic properties. Our agreements are flexible, with the starting unit rate fixed until the 31st of December of the year in which the agreement begins, and thereafter adjusted annually by RPI on each January the 1st for the remaining period of the agreement. Here's how our rates break down based on the length of the agreement. At Sunpower Services, we guarantee that our rates will always be at least 10% below the all-in commercial rate you're currently paying, ensuring you always save on your energy bills. We take care of everything from panels and inverters to installation and maintenance. Our expert team will conduct a structural survey to ensure your business premises are suitable and will handle all necessary permissions and costs. It is crucial to note that not all properties will be suitable due to factors such as roof age, construction, orientation and shading. However, our expert team will be able to advise accordingly. All the electricity you use from our PV system is metered, and you only pay for what you consume. Any excess electricity produced is then exported to the grid, which benefits the environment without costing you a penny. Ready to start saving and make a positive impact on the environment? Visit our website at www.sunpowerservices.co.uk or give us a call at 01634 295 354 to learn more and book your site survey today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on sustainable solutions and innovative technologies. Until next time, stay eco-conscious.